Linux, brief history. Brief history of Linux. Explain the history of Linux. Linux is an open-source operating system that was first developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991 while he was a student at the University of Helsinki in Finland. However, the history of Linux can be traced back to the 1960s and 1970s when operating systems such as Unix were being developed. In the late 1970s, Richard Stallman, a programmer at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT), began developing a free and open-source operating system called GNU. Stallman believed that software should be freely available to anyone who wanted to use it and that users should be able to modify and distribute software as they saw fit. In the early 1990s, Linus Torvalds began developing the Linux kernel as a student project. He was inspired by Unix and wanted to create an open-source operating system that would be compatible with Unix but would also be freely available to anyone who wanted to use it. Torvalds released the first version of the Linux kernel in 1991, and it quickly gained popularity among computer enthusiasts and software developers. The Linux kernel was designed to be modular and flexible, allowing users to customize the operating system to suit their needs. Over the years, Linux has grown in popularity and is now used on a wide range of devices, including servers, smartphones, and even cars. Linux has also become the operating system of choice for many large organizations, including Google, Amazon, and NASA. Today, Linux is still an open-source project, with thousands of developers around the world contributing to its development and improvement. The Linux operating system is known for its stability, security, and flexibility, making it a popular choice for both individual users and organizations. Various types of Linux operating system. Linux is a versatile operating system that can be customized and configured to suit a wide range of needs. There are many different types of Linux operating systems, each with its own features and benefits. Here are some of the most popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions and is known for its ease of use and user-friendly interface. It is based on the Debian operating system and is popular among home users and businesses. Debian. Debian is a stable and reliable Linux distribution that is widely used in server environments. It is known for its package management system, which makes it easy to install and update software. Fedora. Fedora is a community-driven Linux distribution that is sponsored by Red Hat. It is known for its cutting-edge features and is often used by developers and software enthusiasts. CentOS. CentOS is a Linux distribution that is based on the Red Hat Enterprise Linux RLA operating system. It is popular among server administrators and is known for its stability and security. Arch Linux. Arch Linux is a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution that is designed for advanced users. It is known for its simplicity and minimalism, and allows users to build their own customized Linux system. Mint. Mint is a user-friendly Linux distribution that is based on Ubuntu. It is known for its easy-to-use interface and is popular among home users and small businesses. OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE is a Linux distribution that is known for its stability and security. It is popular among enterprise users and is often used in server environments. These are just a few examples of the many different types of Linux distributions available. Each Linux distribution has its own unique features and benefits, so it is important to choose the right one based on your needs and preferences.